The Tesla Model S, first introduced in 2012, is a groundbreaking electric luxury sedan that has set benchmarks in the automotive industry for performance, range, and advanced technology. Renowned for its sleek design, the Model S combines elegant aesthetics with aerodynamic efficiency. The exterior features a smooth, minimalist profile with flush door handles and a panoramic glass roof, giving it a futuristic look. Inside, the Model S is a blend of luxury and technology. The spacious cabin is adorned with premium materials and features a 17-inch touchscreen that controls nearly all of the car's functions, from navigation to climate control. Performance is a key highlight of the Model S. The Plaid variant, introduced in 2021, boasts an incredible 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. The dual or tri-motor all-wheel drive systems provide not only exceptional acceleration but also superior handling and traction. The long-range version offers over 400 miles on a single charge, alleviating range anxiety for most users. Tesla's proprietary supercharger network further enhances its practicality for long-distance travel, enabling quick recharges at thousands of locations worldwide. The Model S also showcases Tesla's advancements in autonomous driving technology. Equipped with the full self-driving (FSD) capability package, the car can navigate on highways, change lanes, park itself, and recognize traffic signals and stop signs. Continuous over-the-air software updates ensure that the vehicle remains at the forefront of technological advancements. Safety is paramount in the Model S, which has earned top ratings in various crash tests. The low center of gravity, due to the floor-mounted battery pack, enhances stability and reduces rollover risk. Advanced safety features, including collision avoidance and automatic emergency braking, are standard. In conclusion, the Tesla Model S represents the pinnacle of electric vehicle engineering, combining blistering performance, impressive range, and cutting-edge technology. It caters to drivers seeking a luxury sedan that offers a thrilling driving experience while maintaining the environmental benefits of an electric vehicle. With its constant innovation and updates, the Model S continues to redefine what a modern car can be.